Now it is getting recorded. So, calculate the angle of 1 degree, 1 minute, and 1 second. You may use the hint 360 degree is equal to 2 pi and 1 degree is equal to 60 seconds. So, first of all, just a minute, I think there is an issue with my pen. So, first of all, I want you to understand, we talked about two supplementary quantities, right? The first one was plane angle. So, plane angle is measured in two units, degrees and radian. Okay, so there is a relationship or there is an interconnection between a degree and a radian. Suppose a quantity is given as x degree. If it is to be converted into radians, you have to multiply it with pi by 180. So the answer will be x pi by 180 radians. So I'll let me do it and then you may write. I will tell you how to write it. Okay. So anyone can tell me any their favorite angle in degrees that is to be converted into radians. So I will convert that particular angle.
60 degrees, sir.
Okay.
45.
60 and 45. We will do both. So 60 multiplied by, just a minute, for that purpose, I will take this 60 multiplied by pi by 180. So now we know three times, right? 60 goes three times in 180. So it is pi by 3 rad. 60 degree in radians, it is pi by 3. So there is another method to check whether the answer is correct or not. Okay. So pi rad means what? Pi rad means, or here itself, you know, a relationship is given. 360 degrees equal to 2 pi. Just a minute. I think where is our slide? Ah, 360 degree is equal to 2 pi. So which in turn means that pi rad is equal to 360 degree divided by 2, which is 180 degree, right? Right? So if I am substituting
Yeah,
the
sir.
180 divided by 3, it is 60 degree. So this answer is correct, right? Now we will go for 45. Just a minute. 45. So 45 multiplied by pi by 180. The number of times it will go, 45 in 180,
4, sir.
4. So it will be pi by 4. So it is pi by 4 rad, right? So the unit is just pi by 4 rad. So anyone else facing any issues to join? Hmm?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay. So this is how the conversion is done. So no, I don't want you to write all this. I'll tell you what to write. So below in the answer, by writing a side heading answer, you may write there are two units. There are two units to measure. There are two units to measure to measure
So
plane
first we
angle.
are doing A1 only, no sir.
No, first of all, we need to understand what is this relation is universal. So first of all, I want you to write this universal relation. Then we will tackle this problem. That's how we are planning to move. So we are here to write
Again,
this.
can you?
Yes, why not? So there are two units. There are two units used to measure used to measure used to measure plane angle. One is below that, you may write as 1 degree. Just a minute. degree, and the second one radians. The relationship between, below that you may write like this, the relationship between the relationship between degree, the relationship between degree and radians, the relationship between degree and radians can be can be written as written as x degree x degrees is equal to x multiplied by pi by 180 rad. X degrees is equal to x multiplied by pi by 180 rads. That
1 minute, sir.
okay, take your time.
Yeah, sir.
Done.
Yeah, sir.
So first of all, we need to find out, the value of 1 degree, right? So,
Yeah,
uh,
sir.
so in the relationship, it is given that x degrees is equal to x multiplied by pi by 180. So here itself, the relationship is given as 360 degree is equal to 2 pi rad. So for the first question, we need to find out what the value of 1 degree. For that purpose, what we need to do, we can divide both sides by 360. Okay, just a minute. By 360. So this equation will turn out to 1 degree is equal to 2 pi by 360 rad, or the RHS of the equation can be reduced into pi by 180 rad. And again, the same can be reduced by substituting the value of pi. How? The value pi has two values. One is in fractions and another one is in terms of point. In terms of fraction, it is 22 by 7. The other value, I hope you already know it, 3.14.
3.147.
So 147, so on, so on. So here I will substitute, instead of pi by 180, I will substitute it as 3.14 divided by 180. So whatever be that value will be in the units of rad. Okay, hello. Whatever be that value will
Yes,
be
sir.
in the unit of rads. So that is the value of 1 degree in rads. Got it? Done.
Sir, can you explain again?
This whole step.
No, sir. From that pi is equal to 22/7. How?
Avinash, according to your convenience, if just a minute. Can I erase this part? Hello? Hello, all?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes,
I'm
sir.
going to erase this part, okay? So in order to explain that part, which is written on the right-hand side. So Avinash,
Sir,
suppose,
can you again explain that first one, sir?
yes, why not? Just a minute. So I'll erase this all. First of all, we need to calculate the value of just a minute, 1 degree.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
1 degree. So we need to calculate the angle in 1 degree, right? So in order to calculate the angle in 1 degree, first of all, we will use this relationship. It is 360 is equal to 2 pi rad. This relationship is already denoted by or it is an existing relationship that is derived by mathematicians. We don't need to change that. So here
Yes.
our logic is, we, I bought 5 pens. The total cost of the pen was 50 rupees. Price of 1 pen.
10 rupees.
So that is the logic here. Here, the relationship is 360 degree is equal to 2 pi rad. So 1 degree will be equal to what? 360 divided here or divided by 360 here. So here the value will be what? 1
Yes.
degree. On the LHS, it will be 1 degree. On the
Yes,
RHS,
sir.
it will be 2 pi by
2 pi
360.
by
Again, the
360.
same can be reduced into pi by 180.
Yes, sir.
Right. So
So why we are dividing it by 360 degrees, sir?
we need to find out the value of 1 degree, right?
Okay.
Okay. So now I want you to understand, pi by 180. And, we have we can apply two values of pi, 22/7. So, and pi is equal to 3.14. I'll advise you to,
Yes, sir.
apply this value. Hmm? This value, when there are fractions that are
Yes,
easily
sir.
cancelled out either by 22 or by 7. Just supposing, I'm not saying this is not what now I am saying is not related to the problem. Suppose, there is pi multiplied by 22, 201 divided by 220, something like this is the, okay, just a fraction is the. So you may apply the value 22/7 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 220. So it goes 10 times, right? It becomes what? 1 by 10. 1 by 10 is what? 0.1. 0.1 multiplied by 1/7. This is only to be done. So the calculation becomes more easier, right?
Yes, sir.
So in
Sir,
those
again,
kind
can
of,
you show the calculation?
okay, why not? So it is pi by, suppose, pi multiplied by 1 divided by 220. Suppose, in between, if you are doing any numerical, if in a step, if a value comes like this, pi is what? Pi is, so if I am substituting the value 22/7 multiplied by 220, so this will be 10, right? So 1/7 multiplied by 1 divided by 10 is 0.1. So the calculation becomes more easier. I don't want you to write this. I just want you to understand when and where to apply the value 22/7 and where to apply the value 3.14. So if
Okay,
we are
sir.
using, instead of 22/7, if we are using 3.14, okay, in this particular calculation, will it be easier for us to calculate?
No,
Hello.
sir.
So that is why I told you in particular set of situation, we may use the value 22/7. In the other, we may use the value 3.14. Okay. So in this situation, we are going to use the value 3.14. So 1 degree is equal to 3.14 divided by 180. So whatever be this value, that value will be in terms of radians. Got it? Hello?
Yes, sir. Got.
Okay. So we have tackled the first question.
So what is the final answer for this one, sir?
So can you divide 340 divided by 18,000 or this much rad? Done? That you have to divide and find out actually. Otherwise, there is no point in doing a numerical. Now we need to
So it
calculate
is
the
coming 0.0174.
0.01.
1.744 into 10 power something, sir.
Tell me the value. 0.
So it's 0.017444.
0.17444 like that it's coming.
44.
Yes,
So you may write it
Correct, sir.
like this.
Answer.
1.744 multiplied by 10 to the power 2 rad.
Prof.
Right?
2.
10 to the power minus 2 rad. Correct, right?
Yeah, sir. Correct, sir.
Look. So now we need to find out the value of 1 minute in terms of radians. Okay. So how to find it out? That is the first question. So here I want you to understand. Suppose this is clock. Okay. So as the minute hand, suppose this. Let me change. Suppose the line here AB represents the minute hand. So once it complete this entire rotation, the angle swept by AB is equal to dash degree.
360 degrees.
360 degree.
It is 360 degree,
360
right?
degrees.
So it is 360 degree. So once this minute hand completes the whole rotation, the total minute is 60 minutes, right? The total time covered by the minute hand is 60 minutes, right? In order to complete one rotation. Hello?
Yes, sir.
So this
Yes, sir.
360 degree, that that will be is 60 minutes. So in order to get the value of 1 minute, what we need to do?
By
Divided
60. By 60. By
By
60, sir.
60 by 60, right? So here the value will be what? 6 degree. 1 minute is equal to 6 degree.
6 degree.
Okay. So now how we will do it? 1 minute is equal to 6 degree means we already know the value of 1 degree in radian from the previous problem, right? So substitute the value of 1 degree and multiply it with a 6. Then you will get the
Yes.
value of 1 minute. Okay. So tell me the value. So I think it is 1 minute is equal to 6 multiplied by 1.72 multiplied by 10 to the power minus 2, right? It is 1.72 multiplied by 10 to the power minus 2, right?
So 7.4.
Sorry, 74. Pardon me. My bad. 1.74 multiplied by 10 to the power minus 2, right?
Sir, in this question, actually, what we need to find, sir?
Calculate the angle. You need to convert 1 degree into radian, 1 minute into radian, and
Minute.
1 second into radians. It is already given here, that in radians. Calculate the angle of 1 degree, 1 minute, and 1 second in radians. Done. So for this question, the last answer will be told by, who will tell the last answer? Hello, Salman. Hello, Salman. Please tell me the last answer of this question. Hello, Salman. Hello, Salman. Please tell me the last answer of this question. Hira? Hira? Hello, Hira. Are you there? All are requested to switch on their videos. Question number? I'll again explain the question, but first of all, I need everyone to switch on their videos. Please switch on your videos. I'm requesting all to switch on their videos. Divyasri, Avinash, Ravi, please. Gayatri, please. Bhuvaneshwari did. Midun did. Jiva did. Sneha, please. Rohit, I think Divagar is having an issue. Okay, Divagar also did. Vishal, please switch on your cam. Shefali did. Vishal did. Madhumita did. Shefali. Vishal did. Rohit, please. Rajan. Rajan, please. You're the face I have never seen till the date. Rajan, please switch on your cam. Yogita. Mitra did. Very good. Rajan, please. It's a request. Salman, please switch on your video. Tirialan, please. Divya. Deepak. Please, Deepak. Harish. Salman, please switch on your video. Tejesh, please switch on your video. Okay. So we'll go for the answer. Okay. So it is 1. So what is the answer for 1 minute in radian? In radians, what is the answer for 1 minute?
10.44 into 10 to the power minus 2.
10.44 multiplied
Into
by
10 to the power minus.
-2 rad, right? So this again can be rewritten as 1.004 multiplied by 10 to the power -3 rad, right? Hello. Right. The same can be rewritten as what? 1.044 multiplied by 10 to the power -3 rad, right? Any doubts up to this?
Sure, I
Hello.
can't understand.
Divyasri, right? Just a minute. I'll move to the last problem, then I will again repeat it. Okay. So again repeating, here I will adopt the help of Pravesh. So the last question is for 1 second. Okay. So how to find the value of 1 second? So we already have found the value of what? 1 minute in radians, right? It is 10 point.
6 by 60.
Yeah. Before that, it is in another easy method is there, right? Because what? We already know the value of what? The value of 1 minute in radian.
Yes, sir.
So the value is 10.44 multiplied by 10 to the power -3 rad, right? Hello. So this divided
Yes,
by
sir.
60. This divided by 60 will give you what? The value of rad, or the value of 1 second in rad.
Sir,
Yes.
sorry to interrupt, sir, but our next class has started, sir.
Sorry. Really, really sorry.
No problem.
I'm already requesting you all, when as the time passes, when we do the numerical, sometimes the time may pass. So I'll say sorry to Sir also. Just a minute. Let me take the attendance. Just give me a minute. Give me a minute. Let me take the attendance first. Then you may leave. Yes. The next
Sir,
question.
what about exam on Sunday, sir?
It is there, Pravesh. We can talk it about later. Okay. So now you may leave the meeting for the next class. I'm sorry for that.
Sir,
No
please, sir,
problem,
no
sir.
more on
Thank you.
Sunday, sir. Sunday, one day at least.
Free.
You may please leave to the next class. So I'm going to end the meeting.